What's up, traders? Hope everyone is doing well. I'm going to get quite active again as points have been flowing into my pocket finally, and I've been able to detach and disassociate from outcomes. I think that's the most critical hindrance of most traders. But I really quick just want to break down, our overall play on US30 this week. I did also trade Nas100 with a very nice setup right here off the top. US30 real quickly though, as we can see, the market overall was trading at a low earlier this year, back in March. We had a three-wave impulse to the upside. Um, 1 second here. We had a three-wave impulse to the upside, Elliott's wave, ABC pattern, whatever you want to call it. So we have, no, so it's a full-on Elliott's wave. It's a three push. It's a three push, right? So you get one, two, three, and that's the completion of the Elliott's wave. So you get four, three impulse waves up. This would be your 618 fib, your 50 fib, and then the extended targets up here. As you guys can see here on the daily, I'm so sad to see how damaged the retail trading community is, because it seems like every single person on the internet is caught up in the lower time frames and trading some kind of ICT concept or a spin-off of it, right? At the end of the day, the only thing that TKT, my trading community, and my course focuses on is price, right? Because if you don't understand what the market is doing and why it's doing it, you should not be speculating any sort of entries or setups. How can you if you don't know what the market is looking to accomplish? So anyway, guys, as we can see, we formed this high here at the top, right? And if we just go right over here, we can see that was a major rejection up here in this area. This was our peak formation high. We had our initial impulse. This is a reversal here, and then we can start our waves down to the bottom. If we simply draw this daily trend line from March 20th of this year, you can see that this was a clear break in trend. Not only that, but this was also 34,800 here at the high. And that's a rejection of a key psychological level. From there, you're bearish. That's it. And that's a sweet play down, right? And then if you know how to read candlesticks, then you would understand that this is some kind of evening star or more pin bar reversal or what have you. So on a lower time frame, there is plenty of setups that would allow you to identify buys here. But the key reason for the buys is the rejection of the price, 33,000, right? So from 33,000, we trade all the way back up to where? Well, this high was 34,110 bucks, where we then had a hanging man, and I was bearish since Tuesday's closure. Just off of that candle alone, I anticipated this entire move down and was able to capitalize. And I want you guys to be able to do the same exact thing, right? Here, we'll have a quick look at Nas. On a weekly time frame, I kind of saw this pennant that was forming here. We dropped down to daily. We can see it much clearer, right? Overall, we still have some imbalances, some voids to fill down here in the low. So I don't know. I think this might be it, right? We might have one bull trap early next week on indices, and then after that, we'll be trading down to the lows, right? Anyway, guys, I hope this video helped you. But I did just really want to share this because I mean it's really ridiculous that people don't still understand how to trade, or they try to brainwash other people into believing that what they know and what they apply works, which there are thousands of ways to trade. I want to make things as easy as possible. And if I look at this price level right here, and I can see that it's $34,000, that should be all I need as a trader, as a speculator of the markets, to make a educated decision, right? Where did the market come from? Well, it came from the high, it dropped back down. We had an impulse wave up and then a reversal on the daily, right? So on the daily, I know I'm bearish, right? On that Tuesday's daily closure. And then if I just look right here, look at that price, 34,000. What are these candles indicating? They're symbolizing that buyers are getting trapped, right? Buyers are getting trapped. It's over. And then we have this beautiful three tap on this trend line for a sell. I don't trade trend lines anymore, but I did draw it after, I think, because I'm just like, I guess I can scale into this off of this trend line and this one. But anyway, guys, happy trading, safe trading. Have a profitable week next week. If you didn't this week, stick to your rules. Understand that it's all between your ears. The less you do, the more you do. Stay profitable. We'll talk soon.